This right here should have all of these back lighting work, and they don't. See if we can see any lights in here. And there's no lights. The interior lights are on. You can see the dash is illuminated, but there's no lights here. I went online and I got a replacement module. So this is just a simple swap out. It's $20-something, and I'll put a product link in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get this thing installed. First thing that we have to do is remove this trim piece so that we can get back to here. Simply just grab a corner and then it'll pull off. And then what you'll have to do is drop the steering down to clear the bottom of this trim piece. Make sure you put your foot on the brake and then lower this all the way down and work that loose, and then bring that all the way back up. And fun fact, if you didn't know, the GMT800 series trucks have a name when they come from the factory. This is Sue. So hi Sue, born January 19th of 2006. There is the headlamp control box, and we're just gonna pull that out, and there it comes out. You should see this little green tab. Just push down on it and then pull it out. The opposite. Until it clicks. We'll put it back in here. Now, before I put everything back together, let's see how this thing works with the key. Turn the illumination on. You can see that the lights behind there are indeed working. That's pretty cool, so I'll be able to see that at night. And then let's just make sure that it functions the way it's supposed to. It's a little blacker than the trim in here, which I don't really care. Okay, there it is, all put back together. Off. On. Parking lights. Auto, which would tie into the sensor right there. If there's enough daylight, the headlights won't come on. And if there's not enough daylight, the headlights will come on. So if I turn the dome light off right now, when I open the door, dome lights come on. And then when I turn that off, the dome light should not come on. So open the door, no dome lights. So this works very well. I'll let you know if I have any issues with this replacement unit, but you can find it on Amazon or eBay. But again, I'll put some product links in the description box below. So hopefully that helps you out, and until next time, you have a terrific rest of your day.